Guys, here you can see that OnePlus 6 is getting Android Pie update. So you can see it here about phone device is OnePlus 6. The OxygenOs version is 9.0. You can see it, I think. And still, if you not get the update, check it. Check update log. So if you still not get the update, then please download this app, OxygenOs updater. Open it. Please allow all the things, and here you can see there is an option of download, and it downloads 1.6 GB a file, which you can see it here. It downloads 1.6 GB a file direct to your phone internal storage, and it's Oxygen OS 2981BF3 CECC 190.zip. And then go to your updater settings, system updates, settings, and local update, and choose this file, and it should take up to 10 minutes to update the file folder. Thank you, and have enjoyed OnePlus 6 Pi upgrade. And you can see the status bar is changed totally. It's too good to use. I will make a detailed video on that. So bye bye.